Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when I sign in Apple ID on my iPhone shows connect to internet. Tap on the settings app, tap on the Apple ID. You can see appears on screen when I open the Apple account feature on my iPhone shows connect to internet to sign into your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is connect to the internet. Tap on OK. Tap on Wi-Fi. You can see Wi-Fi is turned on but not connected. Simply connect your iPhone with Wi-Fi. Go back and open the settings and tap on Apple account. You can see Apple account feature is working. Simply connect, enter your Apple ID and password and sign in your Apple account. That's it. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is make sure your date and time is correct. Tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up, tap on general, little bit scroll up and tap on about, and little bit scroll up again. You can see tap on date and time, turn on zoom, turn off and set date and time and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is reset your iPhone. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, little bit scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings. Reset all settings to confirm and fix your problem. When your iPhone is completely restored, your problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, connect your iPhone with another Wi-Fi or internet. If you are using mobile data, make sure your data plan is available. If not available, purchase the data plan and fix your problem. If all solutions are not working, contact .spot.com and check Apple ID server. If server problem, wait some hours to fix this issue. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhones could not sign in Apple account on my iPhone. That's it. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.